going on, guys, boys and girls, mothers and fathers, whatever you are? Welcome back to the channel. It is 5:15. It's on a Sunday. There's still traffic. You know how it is. Oh man, 70-degree day. Been riding for the past 4 hours. I can't feel my neck, back, crack, any of it. But man, am I blessed. It is a beautiful day to be riding. We got some friends in front of us. We got some friends behind us. We're just doing great. We're just doing great. If you've been looking for a sign to get some headphones, like, I can't afford a $500 Sena, so I just get those little $80 Sony earbuds and just put them in my ears and put my helmet over them. Ooh, there's a Type R. Oh, there goes Mr. Type R. I remember when those Type R's came out, they were going for like 60 grand, like 30 grand over sticker. I think they were, whatever they were, MSRP, they were double it. I remember right when they came out, I don't know, like 2015, 16, somewhere in there. And man, they were selling like hotcakes, unless you were poor or smart and didn't want to spend 40,000 extra MSRP for a Honda or a Civic with a wing on it, a supercharger, but or turbo, whatever it's got on it. I don't know what it even has on it. I'm just a hater, but they're cool looking cars. I like the way they look. I can do something you can't do, Mr. Can-Am. Oh, hello. Someone's saving. I think that was a tropical smoothie bag. Figure people that buy tropical smoothie are the ones that litter. I don't make the rules. I actually buy tropical smoothie, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, there goes Big Harley, man. I love seeing other riders on the road, no matter what you ride. Although Harley riders, there is a stereotype. I didn't make it up, okay? So no one come at my neck. But you gotta love them. It's like watching an animal out in the wild. You never know what they're gonna do. They're either gonna be the coolest people you ever meet, or they're gonna flip you off and do a rolling burnout. I just got flash banged. Put my visor up and just got flash banged. This song is way too loud. It's making me nervous. Don't text and ride, people. It's a terrible idea. Oh no, this intersection is insane. I've been shifting all day. I can barely even pull my clutch lever in. I'm kind of a bitch, so that's most of it. But about 20, like 30% of it is just fatigue. Not that much traffic here. Is he gonna move over? Is he? No. I put my visor up back there and I got flash banged. Oh, that was horrible. Dude, my hand literally isn't working.
What's going on, guys? I am editing this video right now, and I'm stupid because me and my infinite wisdom decided to wait till I was on the way home to make an intro. So I have like 2 hours worth of footage that I just didn't speak in. And there were people in front of me the whole time, so I couldn't even really like ride. The timing is just all kinds of screwed up, but you're just gonna have to deal with it, I guess. Okay, bye!